Alright guys, so we are going to do our spelling pretest. You just heard Wiz shaking in the background. Sorry guys. This week we are working on suffixes, so the word endings. So let's get started. Number 1 is slowly. The snail moves slowly. Slowly. Number 2 is fairly. The little boy thought he had not been treated fairly. Fairly. Number 3 is happily. They lived happily ever after. Happily. Number 4 is loudly. He yelled loudly. Loudly. Number 5 is quickly. He finished his work quickly, so he had more free time. Quickly. Number 6 is softly. The butterfly landed on my hand softly. Softly. Number 7 is sadly. He looked at me very sadly. Sadly. Number 8 is easily. I could easily eat 4 of those sandwiches. Easily. Number 9 is painful. His sunburn looked very painful. Painful. Number 10 is useful. Some of these kitchen tools look very useful. Useful. Number 11 is careful. Be careful as you come down the mountain. Careful. Number 12 is handful. She had a handful of jelly beans. Handful. Number 13 is farmer. The farmer was out in the field. Farmer. Number 14 is baker. The baker made a bunch of tasty treats. Baker. And number 15 is painter. The painter was hired to paint the house. Painter. Okay guys, I'm going to go through those one more time so you can get the ones you missed. Number 1 is slowly. 2, fairly. 3, happily. 4, loudly. 5, quickly. 6, softly. 7, sadly. 8, easily. 9, painful. 10, useful. 11, careful. 12, handful. 13, farmer. 14, baker. And 15, painter. So go ahead and go over to Teams. I will actually have the spelling list posted. I know I missed it last week. Sorry, guys. And make sure you get all the corrections. Good job, guys.